Okay guys, today we're going to do some chemistry with copper. I have some copper chloride I made. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did it. Step number one, add copper metal, of course. What you have to do, you have to get dilute sulfuric acid, right? And electrolyze it with DC current. The bubbles off the anode, or the anode will produce copper sulfate, and then the cathode will produce hydrogen gas. Please note this has to be pretty dilute. So, okay, then whenever you get your copper sulfate, it should be a blue color. What I did was I added baking soda to get copper carbonate, and I'm not even worried about sodium bisulfate. That's okay, I don't even need that. But copper carbonate, I did this so, okay, that's insoluble in water. So I did that so I wouldn't have a bunch of water left over in dilute solution in my copper chloride. So then I mixed the copper chloride with hydrochloric acid, or the copper carbonate with hydrochloric acid, and got copper chloride with water and carbon dioxide. So this stuff is fairly concentrated. Here it is right there. It's not, I got right there. So yeah, it's fairly concentrated, so let's just add some aluminum foil and see what it does. Okay guys, one more equation I forgot to mention. Whenever you mix the copper chloride with the aluminum metal, it'll be a double displacement reaction where the aluminum will be aluminum chloride and copper metal will precipitate out. You'll see it. It'll be brown. It's not going to look quite like, you know, like metallic copper like you're used to seeing or anything, but without further ado, let's go ahead and put the aluminum foil in. Figured we start out with a pretty big piece, so it's bubbling. You can already see the copper. Yep. Gas is not very healthy. It's actually hydrogen chloride because it's slightly contaminated with hydrochloric acid. Yeah, and it doesn't smell pleasant either. Probably should have done this outside, but oh, the camera. Yeah. So there you go. A lot of brown coppers formed. So okay, see you all later.